I'm just gonna make this video. Now, remind you something. Never ever pull fire alarms in public buildings. Never do that, because if you pull a fire alarm in a public building, you're gonna get in serious trouble, so do not ever do it. And never tamper with fire alarm equipment. Don't take the plate off, don't change the candela or the tone of it. Just leave the alarm the way it is. Don't take it off the wall. Now, I've seen videos of people where they just pull fire alarms for no reason. But yeah, you can't do that. It scares people, the alarm goes off. People panic from people who get startled by the loud alarm that it makes. I don't have switches flipped on, so that's why it's not making any sounds. So yeah, never pull fire alarms for fire public buildings. It's just not a good idea, and it's not smart, and you will get into a lot of trouble. Don't tamper with them, because I've seen people took a key out of a fire alarm control panel at a store and opened the pole station like that. That's tampering, you can't do. So if you're pulling them for fun and tampering them, I don't know why I do that, but you seriously need to stop. So don't do something like this. You know that can be not cool. It's a bad idea. If the alarm is on a back box, then do not even open the pole station and take this thing out. No, you never do that. Because if you take that out, they'll see the inside of the pole station, and if they see inside of it, you're in trouble. Hold on. Yeah, never ever mess with these stuff. So don't do this to it, don't shake it. Just leave the alarm the way it is. Don't pull it like this. No, you don't ever do that. And with the strobe, don't take this thing out like this. Don't switch the candela. If the candela is set on 15, leave it alone. Don't mess with it. And don't mess with the tones. Don't take this thing out. And don't take the mounting bracket out. So if you're pulling fire alarms for fun or tampering with them, I don't know why you're doing that, but you seriously need to stop that. Because it's gonna get you into very big trouble if you do that. And don't open the pole station and put the switch down. Doing that can set the alarm. And if you see a key in the pole station, just leave it alone. Don't touch it. Don't put the key in there. And don't put it on the pole station. And don't put it on the horn stub either. Ooh. There it is. There's my key. But yeah, never put this on the strobe. Don't put it on the strobe, and don't put it on the pole station. Never. And don't use a key and don't use the key and do something like this. That's called tampering. So if you pull that alarm, the alarm will flash and the horn will sound, and then you're in trouble. Don't scratch the fire lettering off. Don't take Don't take this bar off, don't take this lock off, don't take this logo off. You leave it the way it is. Don't take the address loop off, don't take the switch off. And don't unscrew the spring. Because if you unscrew the spring, the handle will not pop up correctly if they reset it. You're going to get in trouble. Alright.